You can retire with just one rental property, and this could cover all your bills, fund your dream vacation, and let you retire early. Stay tuned because I'm giving you the blueprint to financial freedom starting now. Why one rental property matters? Here's the truth. According to statistics published by the National Treasury and supported by Old Mutual Corporate Research, 94% of South Africans can't retire comfortably. But you won't be one of them if you learn this simple trick with just one rental property. Keep watching because this is too important. Alright, let's talk numbers. Imagine you buy a 3-bedroom house in Johannesburg for 900,000 with a down payment of 90,000. You rent it out for 15,000 a month. After paying 8,000 for your bond, 2,000 for maintenance and other expenses, you are left with 5,000 every single month. That's 60,000 a year in passive income. Meet Sipho. He bought his first rental property at an auction, renovated it for just 50,000 rand and started earning 7,000 rand a month. That extra cash is paying for his kids' education and growing his savings. If Sipho can do it, so can you. Want to learn how to buy cheap properties at auctions? Book my free consultation right now at PropertyAskEkow.com. I will show you exactly how to build your property empire and stop wasting money. Don't wait. Spots are limited. Link is in the description. Another way to retire early with just one rental property is to maximize your rental income with short-term rentals like Airbnb. Here is Ntombi's story. She rent out her Cape Town flat during December, earning 30,000 rand in 1 month. And the rest of the year, she averages 18,000 rand a month hosting tourists. If you prefer steady income, long-term leases are perfect too. The trick? Furnish your rental. That alone can increase your monthly income by 20%. Smart, right? Only one property can save you thousands in taxes. Expenses like bond interest, maintenance, and even insurance are tax deductible. For example, Ntombi reduced her taxable income by 50,000 rand last year just by claiming those expenses. Leverage your property to even grow faster. Use the equity in your property to buy more. Temba and Lerato took out an equity loan on their paid-off flat to buy another property in Durban. They are now earning double the rental income. By leveraging what you already own, you can build a property portfolio quicker than you ever thought possible. And oh, if you are loving these tips, wait until you see my video on how to rent a property today and own it tomorrow. It's packed with strategies that you won't believe actually works. So stick around until the end screen because that video will change the way you think about renting and owning forever. If you don't have cash for deposits, don't worry. Think outside the box. Try rent-to-own deals or partner with friends and split the profit. That's how Joshua got his first property. This means you can start now without waiting years to save. The sooner you start, the faster you will retire. And guess what? I've put a full video breaking down rent-to-own deals waiting for you at the end of this video. Don't miss it. It could change your life. Let me tell you about Temba and Lerato. 10 years ago, they bought a 2-bedroom flat in Pretoria for 500,000 rand with a 10% deposit. They reinvested every cent of their rental income and paid off the bond 5 years early. Today, their property earns them 12,000 rand every single month. They are retired now, living their best lives, and that 12,000 rand is funding their dream holidays every single year. Can you say goals? They use Airbnb for higher returns in the early years and switch to long-term lease tenants later. Smart, right? This could be you. Or take Sia, who started with a studio apartment. She paid it off in 8 years, used that income to buy property number 2 in just 2 years, and now she earns 120,000 rand monthly. The snowball effect is real. Here is your step-by-step guide to retiring early with just one rental property. Step 1. Buy your property smart. Look for deals like auctions or distressed sales. Step 2. Use your rental income to pay off your bond fast. Most people can do it under 10 years. Like Sia, who started with a single studio apartment and paid it off in 8 years. Step 3. Reinvest. Save for property number 2, like Sia, who used her rental income to buy a second property, and now she's earning 20,000 rent a month across 2 rentals. That's how you win at property investing. Step 4. Repeat this process and build your empire. One rental property can turn into 3 or 4 over time, and watch your income snowball. The earlier you start, the faster you will reach your financial freedom. The best part, you only need one rental property to start. The question is, when will you start? If you've made it this far, type "I'm a legacy builder" in the comments and share this video with your squad. Let's build an army of future billionaires together. Are you in? You don't have to do it alone. Partnering with friends or family can help you scale faster. For example, Sipho teamed up with his brother to buy a duplex. They split the income and doubled their profits in half the time. You've got the blueprint. Now take action. Subscribe now and start building your financial freedom today. Be a legacy builder and let's win together. See you in the next video. Peace.